In today's video, I'm going to show you the new BookBolt 2.0 feature, movers and shakers, together with KDP Spy. So movers and shakers, you can see the books that are doing very well on daily, weekly, on monthly basis, and on our left side we can choose the category. So let's do tracker, and on weekly basis just press search and it's going to show us the books that are doing very well. You can see on the graph. There you go. The first one is teacher record book. You can see the graph. The BSR rank is going straightly down. The second one is saving challenge tracker. This one is book reading challenge, be organizer, exerciser walk, oh my diabetes. So let's choose one of those books. Let's say be organizer. You can see here the estimate monthly sales, the BSR rank, the ISN number, the price, the rating, everything. If you click here, you can add this to the favorites. And from this open book, you can open Book Scout, which is a reverse ISN search. You can find, let's open this in new tab to show you. We can hit search and it's going to open the keywords that this book is ranking. And we can filter them by total items count or search volume. Here we can start searching for products or for keywords. And here we've got more details. Click here, you can see the estimate monthly search volume and the competition score and related keywords. So let's back here on the movers and shakers and open this Be Organizer in Amazon. And now let's say we want to create this one because it's doing very well. Now we want to start searching for keywords that are related for this. There you go. We are on Amazon now. You can see the BSR rank of this book. We can grab the Be Organizer, copy, and just put this on the search bar. Hit search, and now we're going to open the KDP Spy. Just click on the icon. We already uploaded this to our browser. It's a Chrome extension. So let's press KDP Spy, go on keywords and just press search, and it's going to open related keywords to our search term. So you can see here organizer bill, bill organizer, bill box organizer, and here we can sort them by search volume, budget planner and monthly bill organizer, budget planner and bill organizer, and this is with monthly search volume. So now let's open this in a new tab. You can do this right click, open in a new tab. So you can type all the keywords from this page. You can put this on the sheet, all the keywords with the highest search volume. But after then, you can open some of these keywords in a new tab and you can do the same search with this keyword. So let's open KDP Spy again, go on keywords, and it's going to open another tab with similar keywords. This way you can find, because these words they are repeating, but you can find unique keywords just for this search term. Let's see what we've got. Weekly budget planner and monthly bill organizer, couples budget. We can open couples budget. First of all, we're going to put all the keywords that we want in our sheet. After that, we're going to open this one in a new tab, open the KDP Spy again, go on keywords, search, and this process is endless. And this is how you can find very unique and very good keywords with good search volume. I think that's it for today, guys. I just wanted to show you this quick method to find unique keywords, and you can do this for endless searches. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I will highly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.